Namaste to everyone. Today I am going to start location from the chapter India, size and location. This location means the situation of the country. India is situated in which hemisphere and which side of the globe. For this, I want to show you a globe. This is a globe, and this globe is divided into two parts from the equator. The northern part of the equator is known as North Hemisphere and southern part of the equator is known as Southern Hemisphere. Similarly, we can see one more thing, that if we divide the globe from GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, or 0 degree meridian, then also we will see that India is located in the east of the GMT. So how can we write it? We may write that India is situated in the northern hemisphere, or India is situated in the northeastern part of the globe. We cannot say that it is situated in the northern hemisphere as well as in the eastern hemisphere. No, it is situated in the northeastern part of the globe. Now we are going to read about the location, so we must know about the east to east extent as well as north to north extent of India. So let us see first extension of India. Latitudinal extension, it is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude we can add. Yes, and longitudinal extension, it is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. It means 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal extent of India. Again, 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. This is the longitudinal extent of India, and we can say with the help of this longitudinal and latitudinal extent that what is the location of India. One more thing I want to explain over here. I have written here 8 degree 4 minute north. Now what is 4 minute? 37 degree 6 minute north. What is 6 minute? Similarly 7 minute and 25 minute. So I would like to say that if we draw latitudes from 0 degree to 90 degree or 0 degree meridian, then 90 latitudes can be drawn, each latitude having the distance of 60 minutes. Suppose this is 0 degree latitude and this is 1 degree latitude. The distance between 0 degree to 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This is minute, like watch. Yes, now we will read in detail and we can write India is situated in the northern hemisphere or northeastern part of the globe. I think you are able to see India is situated in the northern hemisphere or northeastern part of the globe. Let us read in detail about the latitude. Now, latitude extent in India is 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute. We have already discussed this, but I am repeated over here to make you clear. Now, one question is there. How many latitudes are there between 8 degree to 37 degree north latitude? Now how to find it out? 37 minus 8 is equal to 29 latitudes. Means 29 latitudes are there between 8 degree north to 37 degree north latitude. Tropic of Cancer is one of the important latitude, divides the country into approximately two parts. Latitude decides day and night duration and climate as one move from equator to pole. So, what the importance of latitude? It decides the duration of day and night. At the same time, it says the climate. As we know that as we go from equator to north or from equator to south, the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn together makes the tropical zone. Tropical zone, heat zones we can also say in other words. One more question is there. Name the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Now, for the sake of the answer of this question, we will write one Hindi says that Gamcha Jhar Mitra Par. This says the complete name of the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes, and they are Gamcha, G for Gujarat, M for MP, Chhattisgarh, Chha for Chhattisgarh, Jha for Jharkhand, R for Rajasthan, Mi for Mizoram, and Tra for Tripura. Par means Paschim Bengal, we can write West Bengal, and these are the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. So, these things are important regarding the latitude. Let us start about the longitude. Longitudinal extension of India is 68 degrees 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Again we are discussing this second time. It's known to you. Again the question comes, how many longitudes are there between 68 degree east to 97 degree east? Then 97 minus 68 is equal to 29 longitudes. We have seen that 29 longitudes are also there and 29 latitudes are also there. So we will find one calculation again. Yes, longitude decides time. This is the importance of longitude. Sun rays takes 4 minute time to cover 1 degree longitude. Yes, then one sum comes over here. Sun rays takes how much time to cover 360 degree. Now here it is cleared that sun takes 4 minute time to cover 1 degree longitude. Then why it is 360 degree? It is 360 degree because earth is in the shape of sphere, and in mathematics spherical shape should be taken as circle, and in a circle 360 degrees are there. So we will find out with 360 degree. If it takes 4 minute time, then 360 into 4 is equal to 1440 minute. It takes time to cover 360 degree. Again now we are going to convert it into the hour by dividing 60. Then it will become 24. Then 24 hours to cover 360 degree. That is 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now why there is 24 hour in a day? Is that clear to you? I think yes. Then come to the next part. The next question is, sun rays takes 4 minute time to cover 1 degree longitude. How many longitudes it will cover in 1 hour? It is asking time over here. Then 60 divided by 40, because in 1 hour 60 minutes is there. It will be divided by 4. It will become 15 degree. Sun rays cover 15 degree longitude in 1 hour. So it will be helpful for us that if 15 degree covers in 1 hour, then 30 degree in 2 hours. So in some book you will find that instead of 29 longitude, it is given 30 longitude are there to reduce the problem of hour. Again the next question come over here. Name the states through which standard meridian passes. Then for this answer, Mouca, M-O-U-C-A, M for MP, O for Orissa, U for UP, C for Chhattisgarh, and A for Andhra Pradesh. These are the states through which the standard meridian of India passes. Now, why 82 degree 30 minute east longitude has been selected as the standard meridian of India? And the answer is longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree to 97 degree in round figure. Then 68 plus 97 is equal to 165. 165 divided by 2. We will find the average. Then it will become 82 degree 5 minute. 82 degree and half, 82.5 we will get the answer. This number we can write it as 82 degree and 30 minute east longitude. Yes, it passes through the middle of the country from Mirzapur, UP. It is also divisible by 7 degree 30 minute. These 2 points are given, that why we have selected 82 degree 30 minute east longitude as standard meridian of India. Yes, let us find the next part. One more question is there. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland of India is same. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. Why? And the question is, one grid is made over here. The straight lines are showing the latitudes, and the curved line joining with both the pole showing the longitude of a globe. Now you can see the latitudes are parallel to each other, whereas the longitudes are curved. They join at pole, and the distance between all the latitudes are not same everywhere. So as we go away from the pole, from pole to north pole, equator to north pole, or from equator to south pole, the distance between longitude it decreases. This is the reason why the longitudinal extent is less than the latitudinal extent of India. So we can write it in this way: latitudes are parallel to each other, whereas longitudes join at both the poles, and the distance between the latitude decreases from equator to pole in both the side. So you can do it in this way, and the Indian relation with other countries and neighboring countries you can see in the next video.